Unlock lightning-fast customer care on the go. Even though your computer is the ChatPlus AI powerhouse, don't get stuck at your desk. This quick guide reveals the fastest download and instant installation methods to have the ChatPlus AI mobile app ready in a flash for those urgent customer care tasks. Let's get connected in seconds and put the chatbot in your pocket now. Here's the very first method. Download through a mobile browser. Open any mobile internet browser on your phone, then search for ChatPlus AI website. On the top right corner, you will see the hamburger menu icon. Click on it to expand the options. Look up for the option Download Mobile App and click on it. Then the browser will direct you to the App Store so you can download it. Second method, download by searching in the App Store. Directly search for ChatPlus AI in the App Store and simply click Get. Let's step into the third method, scan the QR code. Very simple. Just open your camera on the mobile and scan the QR code below. You will be redirected to the App Store to complete the download as instructed. Last method, download through browser on your computer. Open the ChatPlus AI download page on your Windows or Mac computer browser. Hover a cursor over the iOS card, and the corresponding iOS download QR code will appear. Use the scan function on your mobile phone to scan and download. Give a try to experience, and your customer service will improve effectively in no time.